Friends, today I am going to discuss very important chapter of United Nations Charter, that is chapter 6, Pacific Settlement of Disputes under Public International Law 2, semester 2. Now, let us start. Provisions for Peaceful Settlement of International Disputes. Chapter 6 of the United Nations Charter under Articles 33 to 38 establishes the legal framework for the Pacific settlement of disputes. It mandates that countries resolve international disagreements that may threaten peace through non-violent means rather than applying force. Now, there are some provisions. The core provisions of Chapter 6 are Article 33. It states states involved in disputes that could threaten international peace must first seek solution through peaceful methods like negotiation, mediation, arbitration, and judicial settlement. Judicial settlement means through the International Court of Justice or regional arrangements. Article 34. The Security Council had the authority to investigate any dispute or situation that might lead to international friction to determine if it threatens global peace. Article 35. Any UN member state or even a non-member state involved in a dispute and accepting the Charter's obligations can bring a dispute or situation to the attention of the Security Council or General Assembly. Article 36. The Security Council can recommend appropriate procedures or methods for adjusting a dispute at any stage and typically refers legal disputes to the International Court of Justice. Article 37. If parties cannot settle a dispute using the methods in Article 33, that is arbitration, conciliation, they must refer to the Security Council, which may then recommend terms of settlement. Article 38. The Council can make recommendation for peaceful settlement at the request of all parties to a dispute, even if it does not necessarily endanger international peace. Now, there are some limitations also. Resolutions under Chapter 6 are generally considered recommendatory rather than legally binding. Means these resolutions are under Chapter 6 are not legally binding, and binding enforcement measures have been discussed under Chapter 7. These peaceful methods also typically require the consent and cooperation of the involved states. So this is all about public international law, friends. So this was the last topic I wanted to discuss with you. Hope all these topics covered in my videos will be very helpful to you for the exams. Thanks for watching this video.